Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng magandang impact sa inyong opisina? Then go full blast! How can you make a difference in your place of work? Let me share with you 5 simple tips from the word blast. Magandang araw, ako si Maloy Malibiran Salumbides para sa Pro Tips. Una, be positive. May nagsabing, bad things are often good things looked at from the wrong perspective. Kung positibo ang pananaw mo sa buhay at sa trabaho, kahit na krisis, may nakikita ka pa ring opportunity. Kahit sa problema, may nakikita ka pang pagpapala. Such is the power of being positive. Ang mabuting pananaw ay nakapagpapabago ng iyong reaksyon kahit sa pinakamabigat na pagsubok na haharapin mo. Pangalawa, live to leave a legacy. Hindi ba't masayang isipin na kahit retired ka na sa iyong trabaho, naaalala pa rin ng inyong kumpanya ang naging contribution mo because you didn't just do your job, you left a lasting legacy. Ang sabi ni LeBron James, dream as if you will live forever and live as if you'll die today. Ang magandang legacy ay kabuuan ng tama, mabuti at magandang pasyahin na iyong inaaksyonan araw-araw. Making the right choices and living them out consistently help you build a good legacy. Pangatlo, aim to excel. If you want to offer work that makes an impact, maging ubod husay sa iyong trabaho. Hindi ito madali. Excellence requires going the extra mile, not once, but always. Mapapagod ka na rin lang sa trabaho, hindi ba mas maganda nang mayroon ka talagang pinagtrabahuhan at hindi nagbisi-bisihan lang? Ang mahusay, natatandaan. Ang excellent, binabalikan. Pang-apat, speak words that build up. In my seminars and talks, I teach participants 3 power words that immediately light up the room. Mabisa ang salita, lalo na kung tama at tapat ang pagkakasabi natin nito. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 18:21, there is life and death in the power of the tongue. Speak to appreciate, encourage, affirm, and build up. At panghuli, trust God. Di maiiwasan na minsan tayo ay nagkakamali at nakagagawa ng mga pasyahin na hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit yon ang iyong naging desisyon. Matalino ka naman, pero talaga namang ang husay at kakayahan ng tao ay may hangganan. We cannot rely on our own strength because surely we will get tired. Hindi naman natin maaasahan ang karunungan lamang natin dahil tiyak, marami pa rin tayong hindi nalalaman. God is the only one worthy of our 100% trust because He is all-knowing, all-powerful, and ever-present. Gary V. popularized a song based on Proverbs 3, verses 5 and 6. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. Ang magtiwala sa Diyos ang susi ng trabahong panalo. Work full blast by being positive, living to leave a legacy, aiming to excel, speaking words that build up, and trusting God. Be a blessing in the workplace today. Ako si Maloy Malibiran Salumbides para sa Pro Tips.